In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft OneNote, how to save local copy of notebook from OneDrive, then copy to another PC 5 minutes. We're going to take a cloud synced OneNote notebook, save a complete local copy, and move it safely to another computer. To start, open the OneNote desktop application, the full desktop app that supports exporting. Avoid the web version for this task because the export feature we need isn't available there. Before you continue, give OneNote a moment to finish syncing any recent changes from OneDrive so your export includes the latest content. With OneNote open, look at the left pane and select the notebook you want to copy. Make sure you've actually clicked into that specific notebook so OneNote knows which one to export. If you have multiple notebooks with similar names, double check you're in the right one by glancing at its sections and pages. Next, go to the File menu and choose Export. This is where you tell OneNote exactly what to package up. In the export options, choose Notebook as the scope. That ensures you capture every section and page in one go. Then pick OneNote package as the format. This creates a single .1pkg file, which is perfect for moving to another PC because it bundles the entire notebook into one portable package. Think of it as a snapshot of your notebook at this moment in time. Click Export, then choose a location on your local PC where you'll easily find the file. Your Documents folder or desktop works well. Name it clearly so you can identify it later. Depending on the size of your notebook and any embedded files, the export may take a little time. Let it finish completely before moving on. Once the .1pkg file is saved, copy it to a USB drive, an external hard drive, or even another cloud storage service if that's more convenient for you. If you're using removable storage, safely eject it after the copy completes to avoid any file corruption. Now transfer that file to your second computer, place it somewhere easy to find like the desktop or documents. At this point, you have a full local copy of your notebook ready on the new machine, independent of OneDrive. If your notebook contains protected sections, be prepared to enter the appropriate passwords when you open it there. That's it. You selected the right notebook, exported it as a OneNote package, saved it locally, copied it to portable storage or a cloud location, and moved it to another PC. Follow these steps anytime you want a reliable portable backup or need to migrate your notes without relying on an internet connection.